Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Patricia. This is a travel vlog and today we are going to Longwood Gardens, Pennsylvania. You have to buy tickets online and for adults it is $25. Download the map on your phone and it will be easier to get direction. So we are starting from the right side, so open air theater garden would be our first point of attraction. And this is the theater garden. You can see colorful flowers, colorful leaves. Beautiful flowers. And here comes the first fountain garden. World-famous artists perform here. This theater is one of the unique theater gardens in the world. And this is the flower garden walk. You will walk and see beautiful flowers. And you meet little bees collecting pollen and nectar, and later the nectar becomes honey. FYI, they sell organic honey in their visitor center. Oh, look at that bench. It's beautiful. I like it. And this is the Italian water garden. This is the most beautiful fountain that I've ever seen in my life. And this is the second of 3 water gardens here. Look, that's my new Lakeview treehouse. Isn't that pretty? I can see breathing roots. If I'm not wrong, this is a mangrove tree. Now we are going to meadow garden. Look at those trees. Looks like somebody trimmed those trees. That's why they have the flat top. This is interesting. And this is the second tree house. You can see me. And look at that kitty. Hi, Missy. Pierre is Dupont is the founder of this garden, and this is his house. And this is his library. And this is another attractive place of this garden. They have indoor garden here. Oh, I can see wishing fountain. Let's wish for something. Green walls. This is actually the bathroom area, but you can take nice photos here. Decoration is absolutely gorgeous. This indoor garden is really big and beautiful. And here comes the water lily display. So many colors of lilies are here. Very, very picturesque. I'm having a hard time to take photos because it is too sunny. They have a great collection of exotic flowers, so don't miss out this area. Although it is very big, you're gonna love it. They have apple garden, grape garden, vegetable garden. It is really hot, and whenever I'm looking at these fountains, I feel more thirsty. This is the third and last fountain garden. This is very, very beautiful. This place is so beautiful. I absolutely enjoyed. And this is the hillside garden area. Please let me know if you're planning to go to Longwood Gardens or you have been there. Share your experience. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.